Hi guys, let's start an update on few of the pairs we have been monitoring from past few weeks. So on Euro USD we have been monitoring price, and from this sell zone we are expecting price to move down until and unless we don't see any break of structure. Right? So what has been happening here, price has shown us a sweep of liquidity here with an impulsive push with some displacement, and now price is consolidating in this small zone. So what we can expect is price probably is building some liquidity to be grabbed before it goes down. So I'm expecting like this was the last push down. After that price is ranging in this high and low, within this high and low. So I'm expecting price to go higher, grab this high, all these liquidity above this, and from this zone I'm expecting a push down. So this can happen maybe on Thursday or Friday, and most of the pairs are consolidating in this week because one, this is the last month of the year. Secondly, the NFP on Friday, the major move will be on NFP. So let's see how it plays out. But on Euro, high probability will be a push higher above all these highs before a push down again. But if it goes from here only, I might not be the seller from current levels. Uh, Anything on 15? I don't think so. Price is mitigating everything here, but here we have collected all this liquidity from below, and there is a slight chance overnight price goes higher and tomorrow we see something, and if it goes down I won't be a seller. Jumping on to the gbpusd, as we have known that on 4 hour price has just swept this liquidity above this high and given us internal structure shift on 1 hour time frame. If you can see here, price has given us this shift after grabbing the major liquidity. So I'm expecting price to continue down from here until and unless it actually breaks structure on the bullish side. So a break of initial structure shift here on GU, and all this is complex structure. We have two levels, either from this level only, which market is already tapped, we will see a push down, or if price decides to go higher above this high, and from this extreme zone also we can see a push down. So we have two levels to monitor, right? One is already tapped, one is above. And on 15 minute it all looks like it is ready to go down, but price is not showing that much of aggression due to low volatility in the market in the last month of the year. But yeah, it looks like it should go down and it will go down. The whole consolidation phase is just because of liquidity buildup. So price can go higher before going down again, which will be high probability, similar to Euro USD. That's all for GBPUSD. Jumping on to the gold now. We have seen price has been ranging on this as well. If you have not seen the previous videos, make sure you go there because I've recorded those videos in very detailed manner. And right now, this is the range we have. 2620 and 2666 is a range gold is range bound in. And on 4 hours, similarly, nothing is happening. Consolidation, liquidity sweep from below, from high, coming down, going higher. And in the last video as well, I've shared this idea that it looks like in this consolidation price is still bullish. It's just grabbing the sell side liquidity and going higher. So the next best plan on gold from either current level, let me go on 15, either from current level or above this high, somewhere here. If I mark something, let's say this zone being our one of the POIs. So either, let me mark, sorry, so either from current levels price can come down, or from higher levels. If it pushes higher above this high into this zone, price can still push down from here. This will be high probability than the current price. And if we don't see any selling opportunity or selling sign from this zone, which is around 2660, then expect price to go little higher above this high to grab the external liquidity of the structure before it comes down. So it all depends how market unfolds till Friday. And I think this consolidation is because of NFP numbers only. So let's see how NFP numbers and unemployment numbers comes out on Thursday and Friday, and accordingly we'll react on the price. But high probability is on the downside, but for short term price can be bullish on gold. Jumping onto the gbpjpy. So I have been saying market is contracting here, and here as well. After this fall, now we are seeing a correction finally, right? So there is probability market can still fall. I see this as liquidity grab of these highs, and from this, let me mark it, the probability of this, right? So either from this high or from above this high, we might witness another sell to the lows to target this equal low, because market has already grabbed this. If I mark properly, market has grabbed this before going higher, giving us a sign that yes, we have collected some liquidity, that's why it's going higher. There was no demand or anything, it was liquidity under this low. So because of this, it is giving us some bullishness, and let it go higher either from this or from this, we will again witness some bearish pressure to target this low first, then these lows, which is around 184. So that's all for GJ. Let's go and see what's happening on BTC. In the inner circle, we have been monitoring this inverse fair value gap here, which market came into deeply before it pushed higher towards the higher prices. But I am also concerned here. Every time when market breaks out, it is possible either it to continue higher or it might fall like this. So I'm little bit of in confusion right now. What might BTC do? Like on weekly, we have seen these two pauses here. Market paused here as well. Now market is showing a bearish candle on week. Already we have third day to end today on Wednesday. So I'm expecting BTC to come in this fair value gap. Very barely it can come here just to tap it, or maybe deep to continue then higher. That is still possible for, because a lot of people are buying after the breakout on 4th and 5th of November when the result came out of the US elections. People are buying, and a lot of retail traders are also buying. So there is possibility market can just dump to scare them before it goes higher. because 100,000 is very high psychological level, and another scenario, it might go higher just to tap this before a big correction comes and then go higher, because this will initiate a lot of breakout traders to buy, and they are expecting if 100,000 breaks out, price will just rally higher. And it might not happen for me. It might just take it and start a bigger correction for a few months before it goes higher again. So that's all for BTC USD, and I think that's all for the video. And let's catch on the next one. Have a good one.